Does your glow artworks look like this? Probably, the reason why your work looks like this, because you're overusing airbrush. Don't do this, please. Instead do this. If you want to glow larger areas, adjust the size of the brush. Then, adjust the opacity of the brush depending on what glow you want to achieve. Apply 1 to 2 stroke only. If you want to add glow to smaller areas, lower the size of the brush to the same size as the area you want to add glow to. You can do 3 to 5 strokes depending on the glow you want to achieve. See, it's much better if we don't stroke airbrush aggressively. Another reason why your work looks chaotic, probably, you didn't add the overlay layer. This is what it looks like when you don't have this. For me it looks off, but it's not that bad. But it looks better with this overlay layer. I'll teach you how to do this correctly. First, add a layer. Set to overlay. I adjust it to 15%, which I always do, but you can adjust it later. Next, pick a color that is similar to the color of the glow in your work. Example, the color of my Bakugo work is orange and yellow. So, I'm going to pick red or red-orange because it has more contrast than orange and yellow. Now, color the whole canvas with the color you've picked. You can adjust the opacity of overlay layer to achieve your desired contrast and also to blend it well to your work. Now, it's all done. Do these tips to improve your glow artworks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.